Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your networking skills with Meetup. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Join Meetup and create an account. Access the website or download the app. Navigate to the home page. Select the category that aligns with your networking interests. Browse through the listed events. Find an event that resonates with your professional goals. Click on the event for more details. Review the agenda and speaker profiles. Note the date, time, and location. RSVP to the event to secure your spot. Prepare for the event by researching attendees and speakers. Arrive early to make a good impression. Engage in conversations with other attendees. Exchange contact information. Follow up with connections after the event. Attend regular meetups to build lasting relationships. Evaluate your experiences to improve future networking. Stay active in the Meetup community to enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.